Hey, if you are using the Sony earbuds WF-C700N and you have this issue that only one of the earbud is working, so there is one way to try to fix it. If it doesn't work, you have to use the warranty because there's no any other way to do this. So we just have to input both earbuds inside our charging case. Then on our phone we have to forget currently connection, just like this. Just simply click on the forget and click confirm. Now, when the both earbuds are inside, you have to take a look on this back button on the charging case, and you have to click and hold it until this indicator on the front starts blinking red. So first it will go blue, but after a few seconds it will turn red. Okay, right now it is blinking red, so we can release this button. Then when it's still blinking, you have to wait. There we go, and now just click and hold this button one more time to enter for the pairing mode and repair your headphones with your phone. There we go, so hold until it starts blinking blue, keep that case open, both earbuds inside, go to the pair new device list in the Bluetooth, select WF-C700N and accept the pairing. And as you can see, now you are connected, and tell me in the comments if this fix your issues. Right now, please subscribe. Bye bye.